Good morning, students. In our today's class, we are going to start the new group from the P block, and that is group number 17. So just see topic group 17 in periodic table, and in this group, what we have. Elements, which elements are present in this: fluorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine. These are the names, symbols of the elements. Their atomic numbers, atomic number of these elements: fluorine 9, 17, bromine 35, 53, 85, 35, 53, 85. This is the this is about the electronic configuration of the atomic number. After this, we have electronic configuration EC. In this electronic configuration, we are using the inert gases there. For fluorine, helium is the inert gas. For chlorine, that is neon. For bromine, we have 35 atomic number of bromine. So in this case, organ is inert gas. In case of iodine, 53, we have the inert gas krypton. In case of astatine 85, that is xenon is the inert gas which is present in this particular case. Now helium 2s2, another electronic configuration we have 2s2 2p5. Okay. In another case of neon, you know that neon has the electronic, that is chlorine. In case of that is 3s2 3p5. In case of organ 4s2 4 3d. In case of organ 3d10 4s2 4p5. In case of krypton, we have 4d10 4d10 5s2 5s2, and that is 5p5. In case of xenon, we have f orbital there. So 4f14 5f 4f14 5d10 6s2 6p5. This is the electronic configuration of the elements present in group number 17. Now about these elements, they are known as halogens. The meaning of this word halo means sea salts. Halo word is used for sea salts, and gens means that is used term that is used for producing. So the word is known as halogens. Occurrence, when we discuss about the occurrence of these elements, where they are present, where these elements are present. These elements does not occur in the free or the native state. Not present, not as free or native state. Not as free or native state. Occur in a combined state in form of halides. And iodate. Halide and as halide and iodate and iodate. As halide and as iodate, these compounds are present. Fluorine, CaF2, Na3Al6, CaF2, Na3Al6, chlorospar and cryolite and fluorospar. That is fluorospar and that is cryolite. That is cryolite there. Another bromine. This bromine is present in sea water. This bromine is present in sea water. So this is all about the general information related to the group number 17 elements, regarding their occurrence, regarding their electronic configuration, which we have. Now we come to the another point, some general properties. What kind of the general properties these elements have? Just see these general properties. First, atomic properties. These properties are known as atomic properties. And in these atomic properties, first we have atomic radii. In this case of atomic radii, halogens have the smallest atomic radii. They are present in. Then second, ionization enthalpy, IE. You know what is this IE? That is ionization enthalpy. Halogens have one electron less than the nearest noble gas. Halogens has one electron less than the nearest inert gas, electronic configuration, therefore they have strong tendency to accept the additional electron. Strong tendency to have additional electron strong tendency to have additional electron, to accept the additional electron, to get inert gas configuration, inert gas electronic configuration. So large negative electron gain enthalpy they have. Large negative electron gain enthalpy they have. Third property is related to the electronegativity of these elements. See, electronegativity of these elements. Electronegativity of these elements, which they have small size. These elements are small size elements. Halogen has the highest electronegativity in its period. Halogens has highest electronegativity in its period. uh, in its period. Halogens are highly electronegative element. Highly electronegative element. Highly electronegative element. Highly electronegative element. Another what they have, we have in this the physical properties of these elements. Physical properties, we have to discuss the physical properties of these elements. So just see physical properties of elements. Physical properties of elements in which we have atomicity. First, atomicity, diatomic or monoatomic. They are diatomic molecules. Diatomic molecules. Physical state, melting and boiling point. Cl2 and F2 are gases at room temperature.